Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to insert HTML code in Email Composer on Gmail. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Gmail, I need you to click on the Create an Account option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Inserting HTML code directly into the Gmail's Email Composer can be a bit tricky because Gmail's web interface is designed primarily for composing plain text or rich text, which is known as formatted text with bold, italics, etc., rather than allowing direct insertion of raw HTML. But don't worry, because you can achieve a similar effects by creating HTML content using Gmail's formatting options or embedding HTML indirectly through various methods, alright? Remember that HTML allows you to have precise control over the styling and formatting of your email content. You can use CSS to apply specific fonts, colors, margins, and other design elements that aren't available through the Gmail standard formatting options. Now, we're going to use a browser extension, and it's called Insert HTML. It should be by Designmodo. Click on it. All right. So what it does is you can compose or the HTML by using these specific browser. It would allow you to have an HTML-rich emails directly in Gmail. Extensions like HTML Mail or Insert HTML can be found in the Chrome web store right here. All I'm going to do is add to Chrome. Let's do that right now and add extension. All right. After that, you can compose your HTML content using it and then insert it to your Gmail. All right. Now, once you have installed the extension, I need you to hover down below. You see the send. It wasn't here earlier, but when I added the extension, you would see an option that says Insert HTML. When you do that, right here, you would see a lot of coding, all right? Now, if you are familiar with HTML coding, or for users who are familiar with it, inserting HTML into Gmail gives them more control over the final appearance and functionality over their emails. It ensures that the email looks exactly as intended without relying on Gmail's interpretation of formatting. All right, because if you click on the Insert HTML, what it does is that it can include dynamic content and personalized elements using variables or scripts, providing a more tailored experience for recipients. This could include personalized greetings, product recommendations, or targeted promotional content. Now, you can paste the HTML generated from these tools right here again. You can close, you can insert the HTML, and you can do a lot because it can enable you to create complex layouts with columns, tables, and grids, which can be beneficial for presenting information in a structured and organized manner. Now, you can also use another service in Google Docs by simply going here. If you wanted to enter a more complex kind of HTML, once we are here, of course, we can rename the document. Now switch over to the Gmail earlier and go to the Insert HTML, copy this, all of it, Control A, and then of course you can hover here. And that's basically how you insert HTML code in Gmail Email Composer. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.